Hello, I'm Lucie Cornu, so the daughter of Pierre Cornu from the estate Domaine Edmond Cornu et Fils. So it's an estate in Ladois-Sérigny. So we have 16 hectares, 14 in Pinot Noir and the end of Chardonnay and a little bit of Aligoté. So we are located in the north of the Côte de Beaune, in Ladois, and we have some vineyard in Allos, Chauray, Savigny, and Côte de Nuit, and a little part in Meursault. So I just explained, so we are three in the estate, so there are my father, my mother, Edith, and the cousin of my father, Emmanuel, and me, I just arrived in the estate 1 year ago, after my study in winemaking. So I just present the vintage 2019. So 2019 was a very hot vintage. It started in March, so very early. The bud breaks at the end of March, and we have a little frost in April. We have a very hot and dry season at the end of June and July. So it makes a very strong concentration of the grapes, and we have some sunburn and some leaves burn also. And we start the vinification in September, at the middle of September. So we can taste three wines, so red wines. One is Chauray-les-Beaunes in 2019, one is Ladois Vieille Vigne, and Allos Vieille Vigne. So let's start with Chauray-les-Beaunes. So you can see the color, it's very dark because it's a lot of concentration. So you can smell. So Chauray, it's gravel subsoil. So it's very delicately elegant. Chauray, it's typical of Côte de Beaune. So it's really red fruit, strawberry, very easy to drink. It's a very nice vintage. After we can pass from the Ladois Vieille Vigne. So Vieille Vigne, it's because it's a very old vines. It's the oldest vine we have in Ladois. So let's start. So Ladois, it's more marly subsoil. So it's a little bit more complex, with more power. And this vineyard, it's more located at the end of Ladois, and geologically it's at the end of the Côte de Nuit, so it's more dark fruit. So yeah, in the mouth you smell the blackberry and very dark fruit. And after we can pass from the Allos Corton in 2019. So also a very strong color. So Allos, it's also a vieille vigne. We have a majority of the Allos, it's more gravelly soil, and a little part of marly. And so you can see, you can smell, it's more complex, more stronger than Ladois. And with the marly soil, we can smell it's more in fineness and delicate. It's not a stronger Allos. And yes, it's easy to drink. It's too early to drink because it's 2019 and it's Allos. you have to wait a little bit. But it's a very nice vintage. We just adapt the vinification because it was a very hot vintage, so we make a fresh vinification. During the vinification, we control the temperature, and we make less than punch down than 2017, for example. So yes, 2019, it's a odd vintage, but very typical of Burgundy. It's very strong, a lot of concentration in fineness, so it's very, very nice vintage, and we always remember this vintage.